Hey, this is the Blind Man Handyman. So I'm getting ready to weld this edge here, but I'm going to prepare it first. So these cracks are kind of big, so I'm just going to tap it with the hammer and make it narrower. I've got the MIG welder set up. For me to weld. I don't know what I do with a hammer. Is that a hammer? Oh, sugar. I got things all ready and then I move stuff. I put this on the table. Oh yeah, I put the hammer on the garbage can. I just rip the cord off. It's a big hammer. Oops, the camera fell down. Jeepers creepers. Okay, so these edges here, they're a bit big, so if I just tap them in, makes the gap a little narrower. I'm just trying to close up that seam a bit. I do it both ways. And I found it got closed up pretty good. Well, if I could see, I know I could weld this no problem. But I'm blind, so. Let's see what happens. Yeah, she's all closed up. Let's see if that'll stay there. There goes much more tools. I need a bigger welding table. I need a bigger shop. That's not gonna happen. Okay, so like another tip for you with your welding leads, don't put yourself in the circle. There's the ground. Always try to keep yourself out of the circle of the wires there. Let's check out my... This is a MIG welder, so you want to try to keep this part kind of flowing. was gonna try to use a jig to help me. Not sure if it's gonna work. Ah, shit. Sugar. Just like a bumper to keep me from going too far. Let's see. So I'm setting it up here. Trying to find a stool just to lean against. Okay. Ooh, I might even be able to sit down. That'd be cool. Make sure the apron's over my lap. On my gloves. Okay, I'm going to show you what I see while I'm welding, which is nothing. This is the camera looking through mine. Well, as you can see, there's tape over it, so you're not going to see nothing, but some people doubt that stuff. So, squishing my nose here. We're just checking things out here with the welder. Feeling it up. Get some gloves on. That's it. Can't wear the mask because I'm using my nose to hold the camera up. Oops. I won't be able to talk because I gotta use my nose and my lips to hold it up there. So there we go. That might work. Kind of squish my nose though. There we go. So I'm not even sure if I welded this spot, but it's hot as heck. Can't touch it right now. Hope I didn't weld my ruler. I weld my straight edge piece. So that's where I welded. So I'm going to do another shorter video